Hey, this is a very small helicopter you built. Yeah, I know, but it'll get us out of this country. Eventually. Right, let's turn it on. Oh, let's turn on the timer. Trying to get it to work. Ah, there we go. Right, let's turn on the radio. Why isn't it working? You didn't turn it on fully. There. Hey guys, there is a tomato can with an RPG that's firing at helicopters. What? Quick, we need to get out of here. Set the alarm again. Alright, let's just turn on the cameras. Alright, all looks fine. Take off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We now have takeoff. Oh, why isn't it moving? Oh no. Malfunction. Wait, what? Where did our radioing timer go? Oh, we're taking off. Ah, there they are. There's my next target. Quick, fire in the hole. Imagine killing yourself to an RPG. Ah! No, pumpkin! Oh, no. No, pumpkin! You... Oh, I think he broke every bone in his body, 200 and something bones. Ah! What the... Oh, I think I broke both my feet, my leg. Ah! The helicopter just took my leg. Oh, the helicopter just took my leg.